Imagine achieving your aspirations faster than you ever thought possible. In today's discussion, we will explore how to set effective objectives and turn them into reality using psychological strategies and NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, techniques. We will cover everything from developing the right mindset to taking actionable steps each day that propel you toward your goals. By the end of this session, you will be equipped to transform your dreams into tangible achievements in no time. Having goals provides us with guidance and meaning in life. They serve as blueprints for our efforts. If not properly established, they may also seem like a weighty load to bear. Achieving goals is most effective when they align closely with our values, as research suggests that. Such alignment can boost motivation and determination significantly. Begin by understanding the reason behind your actions. Ask yourself, what makes this goal significant to me? A solid why serves as a foundation for motivation. Just picture the emotions that would come with reaching this goal. Envision how it would change your life and bring you a sense of fulfillment. Let's use SMART goals, but with an added twist to make them even more powerful. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But here's the NLP boost. Add an emotional anchor to each step. Rather than just declaring, "I want to lose 10 pounds," imagine how full of energy you will feel, confidently striding in your favorite outfit and radiating self-assurance. Create a powerful motivational anchor to keep yourself focused and inspired. Whenever you visualize achieving your goal, firmly clench your fist. This will establish a strong cue that you can use whenever you need an extra boost of encouragement. Break your objective into smaller tasks that are easier to manage and accomplish gradually, rather than trying to tackle everything at once. The human brain finds satisfaction in making progress toward goals by taking attainable steps. This process triggers the release of dopamine, which helps keep us motivated. Set target dates for each task in your plan. Even if these dates are somewhat arbitrary, having a sense of time pressure can motivate you to make progress. Imagine yourself reflecting on and appreciating the moments when you adhered to these timelines, feeling gratitude in your heart as you envision how every step brings you closer to the life you aspire to lead. Planning ahead and identifying challenges is key to staying prepared and proactively finding solutions, rather than waiting for issues to arise unexpectedly. Studies suggest that anticipating obstacles can help increase resilience, and individuals who prepare for setbacks have a higher chance of reaching their objectives. Whenever you face a challenge, try to reframe your perspective. Instead of seeing it as a setback, consider it as feedback that can help you adjust and grow stronger. If you miss a workout, don't view it as a failure. Instead, think of it as an opportunity to learn more about what times and routines work best for you. Success is achieved through daily habits. To reach your goals, you must incorporate small, specific actions into your routine every day. For instance, if you aim to improve your fitness, you need to dedicate at least 15 minutes to movement daily. This approach will establish consistency and make it a natural part of your life. Identify a single word or image that represents success for you, like strength or a picture of a role model. Whenever you feel unmotivated, focus on this anchor to instantly boost your drive. Take a few minutes each evening to reflect on your progress and plan your actions for the next day. Even just 5 minutes of reflection can help you identify what is working well and where adjustments might be needed. Tracking your progress reinforces your commitment and gives you a sense of accomplishment, which encourages ongoing effort. Sharing your goals with someone you trust or making them public increases your chances of success. When we inform others about our goals, we are more likely to follow through because we have invested our social identity in achieving them. We've discussed how to define your why, set SMART goals with emotional anchors, create actionable steps, build resilience, and stay motivated. Now it's time to take the first step. Write down one goal and apply these techniques to start your journey. I'd love to hear what you're working on in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Your support and presence mean the world to me. Every like, comment, and share inspires me to keep creating content that uplifts others and fuels their dreams. I hope you continue to join me on this journey. Together, we can inspire and motivate even more people to reach their fullest potential. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your encouragement is what keeps me going. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.